Jenna from Austin has a question about a dryer vent.
Yeah, it's been venting since 2006. It's been venting right here.
Okay.
That doesn't look like a good program.
Well, you see a lot of that in a lot of the homes, believe it or not.
With Jenna writes, I'm not sure if all that pink stuff is insulation or how much of it's lint. I mean, you can kind of see where the lint is.
I think you're going to get some lint when you do that. Yeah.
Okay. So I was told by my HOA that I can only vent through the roof, which I don't want to do, she says, for fear of leaks. The roof is over 40 years old and no leaks so far. She doesn't want to mess with a program that's working. I get it, Gina.
Yeah.
So I have 1.5 feet of soffit overhang all around my condo. Gina wants to know, can she run the vent over there?
If you have a soffit vent that's already there, when we're building new homes, dryer vents can lay down and exhaust on the, just leave it on the inside of the attic, but the air will go out the soffit vent. We do the same thing with exhaust fans in bathrooms. We'll lay them down towards the soffit vents too. So, yeah, if you want to do that, you're still going to get lint coming out. I mean, it'll just be down in the soffit now instead of where that is. But I agree with the penetration. I would not penetrate for a dryer vent. Now, if it was your house or other people listening, they actually make vents that go in the soffit where these things can attach, and they're much more sealed off, and then the stuff goes outside.
And then you have the lint all over your backyard.
Yeah,
it's awesome.
It looks like snow.
Right.
It looks good. Anyway, you have those too, and those are required, say, in coastal counties here in Houston, where you go down to Galveston and the new homes, we have to have those sealed vents in there. You can't just lay that stuff around. They're a little more particular.
So she take like some, what do you call, Lamiflex and run
the
it
Lamiflex would be fine.
Over to it? Okay.
Lamiflex is like a silver slinky that's solid, and it pulls out, and it's a dryer vent. It's a 4-inch vent.
But don't use a slinky. He's not saying a slinky.
No, it's got the slinky thing.
Up and down.
It won't crawl up and down the stairs.
Ever watching those going up and down the stairs? I always wanted, that whole centrifugal force thing.
That was a lie. I tried it. It never worked.
Worked for me.
It worked for 2 steps.
Your parents didn't buy you the right slinky.
I didn't get the right slinky.
Okay, something else you can talk to your therapist about.
Yeah, I will.
And while he's doing that, you send us your questions for home improvements. We'll help you out. Someday ask Tom at the homeshowradio.com website, and we'll answer them just like we answered these videos over here. And by the way, subscribe to our channel, would you please?